A very good morning, sir. My name is Sarveswary. The topic that I chosen to do research is how makeup tutorial influencing consumer. First, I start with chapter 1 introduction, which is background of the study. Makeup tutorial. It is simpler to discover help with your makeup looks than any time in recent memories. This is on the grounds that there are various excellent bloggers on sites all offering tips and tricks on the best way to accomplish an extraordinary makeup look. There are many beauty gurus will give their own surveys of specific items which allow consumer to get a knowledge of certain items that you could never ordinarily have thought of. This means you can make some amazing new revelation outside that you typically would go for. Next is research objective. The objective of this research is to identify and understand more on how makeup tutorial influencing consumer and their motivation to watch makeup tutorial view online platform. Thus, based on this research, also understanding more about the experience of the consumer by watching makeup tutorial. In addition, research questions. The research questions are how makeup tutorial influencing consumer and what is the motivation to watch makeup tutorial. Next is problem statement. There are too many makeup tutorial videos provided in many platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and Pinterest which provide similar contents of information and skill. Thus in this research we want to learn more about how makeup tutorial influencing consumer to watch and learn for it. Therefore we also want to learn on what is the motivation of consumer to watch makeup tutorial. Besides in this research we are able to know the experience of consumer by watching makeup tutorial. Next is research framework. The study aims to contribute to the literature on how makeup tutorial influencing consumers, especially identifying the motivation to watch makeup tutorial and experience of the consumer by watching makeup tutorial. In the end, this study uses qualitative data from in-depth interview conducted on consumer who watch makeup tutorial. Now I move on to the chapter 2 which is literature review. I start with introduction to the area. Makeup tutorial as indicates by Andrew Thurston research on the structure, a major feature of YouTube how-to and style classification. They incorporate such a common device as vlogger, focus on screen and talking directly to viewers, demonstration of application on maker's face, organizing of items and rehearsal, and basic discover on cosmetic beauty and society. Next is vlogger address social assumption regarding excellence just as the potential outcome and issues with imagining strengthening through cosmetic practice. These issues are forgotten by My Pale Skin, a well-known beauty vlogger who discusses her incredible fair complexion and skin breakout issues. Next is marketing related issue. First is launching a new product line, which is makeup tutorial with influencer fused into beauty brands to immediately focus on a loyal and attentive audience. Besides, viral beauty product launches depend on a market issue of a similar style and who prefer to go to over influencer. For the most part, a viral product is intended to earn the consideration of a specific target audience and urge them to impart their own understanding of the item. Finally, is beauty showcasing techniques is the ensured a way that it offers. The supporting literature based on my research topic is first, confidence. Identify with an individual general positive or negative assessment of individual value. Individual with positive confidence anticipate personal development and regularly adjust well in society, which is consequently make up significantly affect boosting confidence. Besides, beautification is one of the fundamental purpose behind ladies having worn makeup all through the centuries, which is in the early days beauty was estimated dependent on the evenness of the face even faces were considered more beautiful. Next is online makeup tutorial videos is free to watch and can see follow our flexible time. This provides us the chance to try and find out whether it's work for you or not without worrying about the cost. Besides, YouTube Primer and Instagram also have present IGTV, which is YouTube Premium is a paid membership that permits you to watch recording without advertisement videos in the background and permits you to play videos whenever you are in online. And IGTV, which is you can stop the video and play it once you feel okay to see. And then finally is chance to communicate with the influencer, which is by direct message, live comments and emails. This provide chances for the viewer to communicate with the influencer and clear their doubts. Those are the key terms that found from the literature review, which is confidence, free cost, flexible time, easy to learn and communicate with the influencer. Research methodology, which I start with research method. The aim of this study is to investigate on how makeup tutorial influencing consumer. Therefore, a qualitative research which is most suitable method to collect the data from the participant and decided to have interview as the research technique because researcher get to know experience from minimum 8 respondent to gain the information, and finally the researcher implies one-to-one discussion session between the question and interviewee. Next is data collection. The researcher will ask the participant that they would consent to take an interest to take part in the research during the actual interview and then explain the reason of the research. Finally, the data collection will at the point continue by method in-depth interview, which is by phone call conversation uses semi-structured format, and with the permission of the participant all the interviewees will recorded on the digital voice recorder for the research purpose. Next is research protocol. The researcher had used semi-structured format to conduct this research. Qualitative interviewing intends to delve deep below the surface of superficial reaction to get genuine open structure, engaged, conversational and two-way communication which they can give data for the researcher regarding the makeup tutorial. Next is in-depth interviewing is a qualitative research technique that includes conducting intensive individual interviews with few participants to investigate their viewpoint on a particular topic, situation and ideas. Next is sampling. Sampling is focusing on a particular characteristic of a participant that are of interest which will enable the participant to answer the researcher questions. Furthermore, the sample of purposive sampling that being investigated is a simple, especially compared with the probability sampling. The researcher was able to find 8 respondents who have experience on watching makeup tutorial. Finally is data analysis. Data analysis is a standard among the most broadly perceived kind of examination inside qualitative research. So as a familiarize myself with the data, I have replayed into all the recording that I recorded during the interview. Subsequently to repeating a couple of times, I begin to do a transcript. Later on, I began to search for the themes which are bordered and involve an active understanding of the codes and the data. Finally, after recognizing the themes, I survey and refine the themes, examine all the concentrates related to the codes in order to research if they reinforce the themes. At last, I name and depict all of the themes and distinguish in the past advance. Next is chapter 4 finding. Those are the list of the participant name that I have interviewed. Next is coding. Codes in qualitative research are as important as number in a qualitative report. Codes give legitimacy while demonstrating them. This method begins precisely when all the 8 interviews were analyzed, the specific jotting. And finally, the codes were created inductively when there was a contemplation of the assessment subject. The major themes that I found from my research is: first theme is confidence. Based on all the participants that I have interviewed, the participants are more concerned of their confidence level. Thus, confidence is the first theme that influences consumer to watch makeup tutorial. Influencer shows confidence through the declaration of explicit cases that makes on product and throughout the video. The example statement that I get from my interviewee is: I feel more confident and pretty too. Every woman in the world, of course, want to look pretty, and by applying makeup, they feel more confident about themselves. Nowadays, men also started to do makeup because they also want to be confident by cover their scars, acne. By applying makeup, they feel their confidence level is high. The next theme is confidence, which is these confident themes that influence the consumer to watch makeup tutorials frequently. Convenience is an action that can be proceed without any difficulties, like the consumer can watch the video, follow their flexible time, can see whatever they need and free of cost. The example statement is: it's convenient for me because I can watch the video whenever I free. Sometimes I don't have free time, so I won't watch. The last theme is easy to learn. Besides, the third theme in the research is easy to learn that participants discuss about it. In this manner, each video was a tutorial, which implies that they was an added how to compound into the adventurer, which allow influencer to show how to learn inside their video with the how to do instruction. The example statement is: it is easy to learn because the influencer explains step by step and don't need to spend my money to go bridal shop to have makeup during any association, and also learn the makeup tips how to apply makeup. Next is master theme, which is self-enhancements. According to the major theme chosen, the most suitable master theme in my research are self-enhancement. As we know, self-enhancements used to measure how makeup tutorial reach towards the customer by having a confidence feeling, easy to learn, the makeup skill, and the convenience. For the major themes which are confident, convenient, and easy to learn, all those three are considered as self-enhancements because they are influenced to makeup tutorial by these three terms. Next is Chapter 5, Recommendation and Conclusion. I start with summary of research. This study provides significant into makeup tutorial videos that makes a woman to get influence and use it. Next is we are able to find the terms of how makeup tutorial influencing consumer, and all the women want to be confident to face the world, so their appearance will show their confidence level by looking prettier. By that they get influence to watch makeup tutorial. Thus, how makeup tutorial influence consumer is: it is easy and convenient. By this, the consumer can learn throughout online by staying at house. Besides, the marketing implication of finding is the influencer fulfill the viewer's needs that results in increased customer satisfaction, and customer impression towards the channel will improve the channel and provides a good image in marketplace become more positive. The recommendation are: makeup tutorial should provide some polls by giving some option of different kind of makeup tutorial to vote by the viewers. Next is provide the information of upcoming live sessions so that the viewer can get ready with some ideas of the topic of makeup tutorial. Next is the influencer can provide personal makeup tutorial in few platforms like YouTube and Instagram. Finally, organize an event and make some giveaway deals about personal makeover, which could attract more people to know about the benefits of makeup tutorial nowadays. Finally, the future research is as the researcher has developed recommendation for the future research based on this research is the future research should be contained with the smaller scale like a age group and also on men's. Future research ought to be done around they looking comparing culture backgrounds and their influence on the outcome since the study was engaged principally. Thank you, sir.